Good morning, students. In today's video of subject Industry 4.0, unit number 1 introduction, lecture number 3, we will see regarding the topics which are regarding the core idea of the Industry 4.0 and origin of the Industry 4.0. Now, in our previous lecture, friends, we have seen some basic things of core. What are the core parameters or core points of the Industry 4.0? Now, here we will see what is the core idea actually of the Industry 4.0 and how does from where this origin of Industry 4.0 came. Now, so let us see the core of Industry 4.0. This is the point which we have discussed in our previous video, that it is the mixture of various parameters of autonomous robots, simulation, horizontal and vertical system integration, the industrial Internet of Things, cybersecurity, the cloud, additive manufacturing, augmented reality, big data and analytics. So all these parameters are interrelated for an Industry 4.0. Now, through this diagram, revolution by revolution, it came into existence, that already we have discussed in our previous video, that the first industrial revolution was mechanization and mechanical power generation. It was done with the help of steam engine, or manually it was operated. Then in second industrial revolution, electrification and industrialization had happened. That was around 1900s. And third industrial revolution was digitalization, electronics and automation, and that was in around 1960. And today, that is the fourth industrial revolution, ICT, mass custom production, you can say, the Industry 4.0. Today we have, that is the smart and automation. So this is how the step by step industrial revolution changed. Now, what is the origin of the Industry 4.0? It is said that the Industry 4.0 concept comes from the Germany. Germans were the first to adopt the fourth revolution of the industry, and is not surprising since Germany has one of the most competitive manufacturing industry in the world and is even a global leader in the sector of manufacturing equipment. This is very true fact, that Germany, for the manufacturing point of view, Germany is at the topmost sector. It's a global leader, we can say, in the manufacturing sector. There is a huge opportunity for the mechanical engineers in the Germany, as it is a global leader in the manufacturing equipment. So the concept of Industry 4.0, origin of that comes from the Germany. So German people has adopted this Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is a strategic initiative of the German government that traditionally heavily supports the development of industrial sector. So this initiative was taken by the German government in order to support the development of the industry. The main role of the main reason for coming up with the Industry 4.0 revolution was to support the industry, say industrial sector, for the development. So, and that initiative was taken by the German government. In this sense, we can say Industry 4.0 can be seen also as an action towards sustaining Germany's position as one of the most influential country in the machinery and automotive manufacturing. So this is only the reason why Germany people look with the Germany as a most global leader in the manufacturing and automotive manufacturing, in machinery manufacturing and automotive manufacturing. As they are implementing, they are always looking for the innovations and development. Industry 4.0 was first adopted by the Germany, and that is only the reason why the people are mostly influenced by the machineries and automotive manufacturing units of the Germany. So in short, we can say the Germany is the father for Industry 4.0. The basic concept was first presented at the Hanover Fair in the year 2011. Since its introduction, Industry 4.0 is in Germany a common discussion topic in research, academic, and industry communities at many different occasions. Friends, this is the first time subject introduced for the GTU students by GTU, and we all are fortunate that GTU has taken this step to introduce this subject for the mechanical engineering student, because you see this technology or this revolution has already started in 2011 in the Germany. This is 2020, so 9 years has been passed off with the seed sown for the Industry 4.0. जो इंडस्ट्री 4.0 का रिवॉल्यूशन है उसका बीज जो है आप आज से 9 साल पहले ऑलरेडी उसको बो दिया गया था. इट मीन्स एंड हियर नाउ वी आर स्टडिंग फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर द इंडस्ट्री 4.0. सो फ्रेंड्स, this is actually fortunate for us that this subject has been introduced by the GTU and make the student aware of the industry 4.0, because now many industries in India are working with the industry 4.0 technologies, but yet all the companies are not adopted with this technology, but some of the companies of the India are adopted with this technology. So if we want to work in those companies, then we must be aware of this. Besides being the natural consequence of digitalization and new technologies, the introduction of Industry 4.0 is also connected with the fact that many up to now exploited possibilities for increasing the profit in the industrial manufacturing are almost exhausted, and new possibilities has to be found. What does this statement says? Even though we are having going for industry, this topic is regarding the industry 3.0, that though we are having the digitalization, though we are having the technologies, now the time has come that we have to boost the industries, Indian industries in the manufacturing sector, because now the possibility of increasing the profit, there is a saturation level that we cannot adopt or opt the profit beyond certain limit. So as the profit margin has been stable, now it has been reached to its maximum limit, the requirement has been raised for founding some other way how we can increase the profit of the industries. So the answer is adoption of Industry 4.0. So, or introduction of Industry 4.0 for the Indian industries. So that is only the answer for adopting Industry 4.0. Namely, the production cost were lowered with the introduction of just-in-time production. As I told you that Industry 4.0 in my previous video, JIT, IoTs, all these are the principles and policies that we have to follow. So JIT, that is just-in-time production, by adopting the concept of lean production and especially by the outsourcing production of countries with lower work cost. So how we can increase the profit margin and how we can also increase the wages or reduce the labor effort. So that was adopted by the theory just in time for the production. When it comes to the decreasing cost of the industrial production, Industry 4.0 is a promising solution. अगर हमें प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट को कम करना है तभी हमारा प्रॉफिट बढ़ेगा. Because in this competitive market, the selling price or this market price is very stable, and we cannot work out with a more profitable margin, or we cannot sell our product beyond certain amount. तो उस केस में क्या है, तो हम हमारा मुनाफा कैसे बढ़ाएंगे कि हमारा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट जो है उसको कम करके. और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट कम कैसे होगा, तो by adopting industry 4.0. So when it comes to decreasing the cost, अगर कॉस्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट कम करने की बात आती है तो we have to go for the industry 4.0, and it is a promising solution. If you adopt industry 4.0 technologies, your production cost will decrease and decrease. According to some sources, industry 4.0 factory could result in decrease of, these are the some values which are taken from the one of the paper of the research paper, that by adoption of industry 4.0 production cost reduces by say 10 to 30%. So if the production cost reduces by 10 to 30%, the profit margin also increases by 10 to 30%. Logistic cost also reduces by the 10 to 30%. The transportation and loading and unloading cost also reduces up to 10 to 30%. Handling cost of the system reduces by the 10 to 30%. And quality management cost also reduced by 10 to 20%. So these are the approximate percentages mentioned, that once you adopt industry 4.0, this much benefit, minimum to 10 to 30, 10 to 20, 10 to 20 percentage of profit you will increase. And this is only possible when you adopt industry 4.0 technologies at your industry. So it is a promising factors, decrease in the production, logistic and quality management. If everything is managed, well managed by the robots and some cloud-based IoT-based systems, then there is no need of inspection of the quality for each and every component. There are also number of other advantages and reasons for the adoption of this concept. Now, as we talk of the origin, the Germany is the father of Industrial Revolution 4.0. There are certain advantages also. Not only the increasing the profit of the system, but along with that there are also certain amount of other advantages which a company or industry is benefited. So the first one is a shorter time to market for the new product. When you are launching a new product, in a very short duration of time, you will market that product, and globally your product will be popular or it will be marketed by adopting this technology. So we can say the speed of marketing of your new product increases, and improved customer responsiveness. If they are providing good quality in right time and as per the customer's requirement, there will be the positive response from the customers regarding your product. So there will be improved in the customer responsiveness or the what we can say feedback of the customers. Third is enabling a custom mass production without significantly increasing all over production cost. It means if you want to particularly manufacture or modify some product design for a particular batch, then in that case you can significantly do that by adopting this technology without increasing the production cost. It means when you are modifying or when you are uh, changing the design. Normally in 2.0 and 3.0 revolution, mainly in 3.0 revolution, when we are modifying some design, again we need to revise entire production manufacturing system, and the production cost also increases. But in this fourth revolution of industry, this thing is eliminated. You can modify your batch production design by as per your requirement without any increasing in the cost. So this is amazing benefit of the, and that is only the reason why it's supporting the innovation. As I told you that industry 4.0 is more supportive to the innovations. So when you are innovating something new and you will apply for a particular batch, and for that you need not to buy some extra machineries or some extra, you can adopt it by the same technology. So that is one of the great benefit of the industry 4.0. More flexible and friendlier working environment. The environment of working will be more friendlier and very peaceful and flexible when everything is managed by the machineries and the output we are getting as per our requirement. Then here we are not dependent on the human being, or we are less dependent on that. So the working environment automatically goes hygienic, it becomes more flexible, and it becomes more friendlier. So this is the fourth advantage of the industry 4.0. And the last one, more efficient use of natural resources and the energy. This is the one of the important point. This since last 50 years or 60 years we are continuously working behind this on this area, that how to preserve or how to save our natural sources of the energy. So how we can save them? By utilizing it very efficiently. So there are many sectors working on this, that how we can utilize the energy source more efficient. So lot of research is was done in past years, and even in today also lot of research continuously is being done to increase the efficiency of utilizing natural resources and energy which are available on the earth. So by adopting industry 4.0, we can say industry 4.4th revolution also play an important role to increase or to save the natural resources and energy by utilizing it more efficient. So this is these are the important points, for 5 different points regarding the advantages and benefits of the implementation of the industry 4.0. So friends, whatever we have gone through this video, the concept and the core of the I4 and origin of the I4. So once again, the Germany was the first to introduce, because they care for the industries, and how the production rate or the profit margin increases, logistic and quality management time also is saved, or cost is saved. And these are the different advantages by implementing industry 4.0. So thank you very much for watching this video. I request you all to subscribe our channel SSIT.GANDHINAGAR. Thank you very much.